I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting the file, immediately save a backup copy and work on that copy. Open Excel, turn calculation to manual so changes don't cascade, and disable macros temporarily. Next, run error checking and inspect document to reveal hidden links, names, or comments. Once done, clear unused named ranges and remove external connections you don't need. Make sure to note the original file path and version so you can restore if something breaks. You now focus on formulas and layout. Search for error tokens like #ref or hash value, and trace precedents to locate broken references. Replace volatile functions with stable alternatives or move heavy calculations to helper columns to improve reliability. Once done, convert ranges into structured tables and use named ranges to avoid relative reference mistakes. Also standardize number formats and apply consistent headers so formulas reference predictable cells. Make sure to test a few changed formulas manually to confirm expected results before proceeding. You wrap up by validating outputs, run reconciliations, compare totals with independent calculations, and sample key inputs to confirm behavior. Then save a clean version and document all edits in a change log cell or separate sheet. Lock or protect critical ranges. If links are needed, re-establish them deliberately and update paths. If something still fails, close Excel and use Open and Repair or copy sheets into a new workbook to purge corruption. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.